Hey guys, Dave Jr. with Wellbuilt Equipment. It's time to get down and dirty with Dave about your entry gates. Entry gates, although they don't seem like they do much, are a very important safety device on all of our electric scissor lifts and boom lifts. We have the two styles primarily found on electric machines right here to show you guys today. This is a sliding swing gate, swings in and out, toe board protection, found on machines from Genie that are above 20 feet and up, and now commonly found on all machines thanks to the changes in ANSI regulations. And you'll find this on older machines. That is your chain entry gate, supposed to stop you from accidentally stepping off of the platform, but as you can see, doesn't have as much of a safety factor as the swing gate does. Alright, cool. So now you guys are down dirty and up to speed on entry gates. Don't forget to secure those anytime you operate a piece of equipment.